That's the winner.
The Lambo. The Super.
So.
Oh, the 458's at the end.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's the mother Lamborghini lost all its front end.
Oh my goodness, I want to see that. We probably can't get in there.
Yeah.
Look, there's the other one. Oh, look at that. What big gouge in the front. Yeah.
Hang on.
Top of the wheel arches as well.
I've got them everywhere. Oh, look at! I love the back of these.
V10.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all up here.
I like in the front. The greens in there as well.
Yeah.
It's got a passenger in there.
Did it? Oh, that's the other Lamborghini, the EQT1 one.
Yeah, that had a crash as well.
I think so.
Oh,
Oh, there's more.
Just wait, because they'll push.
Yeah, they'll push it back. I reckon it's huge.
That's got to push it back in.
Yep.
You know how you said about the grill on the overall
Yeah.
engine colour?
Yeah. Oh, it's a completely different Lamborghini.
No, I think it's just no, it's the same Lamborghini. It's just a different
No, I think
like a 2008.
that one's an SV, and this is a what's the most common one called? Gallardo.
Yeah, but they all are Gallardos.
Sure.
So an SV is a Gallardo, but it's just got like it's a sport version or
Shall we go have a look at the others? I don't know whether he's going to reverse or not, because I think that's his garage. Oh no, it's a Porsche. That looks good.
how wide that is.
Yeah, it's huge. City. Man, that is huge, like wide.
Yeah.
Massive. Now let's figure out what this is now. Janetta or something?
Oh, there you go. It is. The name of the car is
Janetta. Never heard of it.
Standard.